Welcome guys, so today I am with the Nubia Red Magic 7S and I want to show you camera tips and tricks for this device. So the first, we can quickly adjust the brightness level by tapping right here and then move the sun icon like that. So we can decrease or increase the brightness level. You can adjust automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you go right here for the zoom feature, you can switch between lenses. You can also click and hold already selected preset and enable this slider. As you can see right here, we can zoom in to the 10 times. You will also enable two additional presets, 5 and the 10x. You can still zoom in and zoom out by pinching your screen with the two fingers. The next tip will be about the volume buttons that you can find on the left side actually. So let me just go for the 1x, okay. We can click the volume up or volume down to take photo. We can also click and hold the buttons to take series of the photo, and we can take over 100 photos in each series. It works the same for the holding the shutter button. Next, we can tap right here to add different filters. As you can see, that's how they change the color and the temperature. This one looks really cool. Take a look how the box looks right now. To go for the original, pick the first one. When you click right here, you can find the composition assistant. It's this blue dot that shows you the better view of the photo. You can also simply move for the settings and enable shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. That's the countdown on the screen. Yeah, just like that. And we can also simply go for the settings. As you can see, when you are in the settings, you can find a lot of parameters, but I can recommend you to enable the grid lines. They will help us to take better composition on the photos. Touch to take photo, and actually the location tags. So the grid lines, as you can see right now, that they appears on the list on the screen. To take photos with the tap to capture, you can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. And the location tags works like that. You can just click right here on the dots, go for the details, and as you can see right now, there's the information where the photo was taken. Or actually it's not. Okay, never mind, it is not working, but normally on the preview you will get the information where the photo was taken. Okay, and that's all for the Nubia Red Magic 7S, the camera tips and tricks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.